is Miguel and my portfolio topic is rainforest animals. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 rainforest animals. So my first rainforest animal is the poison dart frog. Poison dart frogs are found in South America and some parts of Central America. Poison dart frogs eat termites, crickets, and ants. Poison dart frogs live in marshes, streams, and rivers. Poison dart frogs can grow from 1 to 7 cm in length depending on species of frog. So, my second rainforest animal is piranhas. Piranhas are found in the Amazon River around South America. Piranhas will grow up to 1 feet in length. Piranhas eat small fish, larger fish, and small mammals. Piranhas reproduce by laying groups of eggs in lakes and rivers. Lastly, I want to talk about boa constrictors. Boa constrictors live in Mexico, Central America, and South America. Boa constrictors feed on birds, small rodents, including bats, lizards, and do not eat larger animals. You want to see some pictures of boa constrictor? Let me show you. This is the end of my portfolio topic. Bye bye.